Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, I still think this looks like a flat. It definitely didn't invalidate it. A pretty slow day overall, but I mean, it definitely still looks like three waves down. Definitely looks like three waves up, higher high three waves. And then it definitely does look like five waves down. It does look like a running flat. Like I said this morning, a break of structure I think is what's going to confirm that we are back into the uptrend. But as of right now, I definitely would call this potentially an ABC correction, potentially an ABC flat, a running flat because it's a higher high wave C compared to the wave A and a higher high wave B. So if that's true, then we should potentially, maybe throughout the Asian session start a move to the upside. Now, if it doesn't go up and if it doesn't break structure, that could invalidate this count because the daily time frame does look like it's due for a pullback, but the daily time frame is definitely still in an uptrend. So we definitely want to lean towards longs more than anything, in my opinion, especially with this running flat look that we have right here. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.